Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS supports Apple Intelligence and that your Apple ID is active. Once done, open System Settings and enable Apple Intelligence in Siri and Spotlight so the system can index content. Make sure to allow access to mail, messages, notes, photos, and other apps you want it to analyze. This lets the assistant build context and provide smart suggestions. If you use multiple Macs, sign in on each and sync via iCloud so preferences and learning carry across devices. Now you customize how Apple Intelligence helps you by adjusting learning and privacy settings. You should select which apps and data types it can analyze and pick suggestion types like writing help, summaries, or image analysis. Once configured, open supported apps and try short prompts. Ask for an email draft, a photo summary, or code refactor. Provide feedback on suggestions so the model improves over time. Make sure to balance convenience with privacy by reviewing data sharing and on-device processing options. To finish, actively use Apple Intelligence. Summon it in apps via the contextual menu, GPT drawer, or the compose bar to draft, summarize, or analyze. Accept edits, export results, or save drafts to notes or mail. Once comfortable, manage suggestion history and preferences in system settings. If the assistant stops giving good results or shows no suggestions, rebuild Spotlight Index, restart your Mac, and temporarily disable, then re-enable Apple Intelligence. This forces re-indexing and often fixes permission or cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.